Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Garmin Dash Cam Tandem, and I'm gonna show you how to show date and time and the speed on the video. So to do it, you need to open the Garmin Drive application, of course, and click on the settings. Then click DC Tandem, and here find data overlay, and here you can show date and time or disable the showing of date and time, review location, and show or hide the speed. For example, I wanna hide the speed because you can see I can't move in. Review location, I don't want to share location, and I'm clicking back, and now I'm clicking save button to save the nearest video. I can emulate the happenings. Cool. And now let's watch the video. Videos and photos connecting to the Wi-Fi. Join, of course, join. And the latest video. Let's see it. Oops, it's me. It's not now. Wait a while, where the data is? Oh, data is here, as you can see. So maybe I need to rotate it. Oh no, I need to save it to my phone to see it. But as you can see, here is the data and the time of the recording. And here it's very temporary. And here, as you can see, it's me. And here, as you can see, I have the date without the speed and location. So cool, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.